What's up everybody, I'm Dalek from class 11A2 of Hong Duc High School and this is... Hey!
What?
By the way,
Why?
say hi to the audience.
Oh, hi. I'm Quoc and I'm his teammate as well as classmate.
Can't you keep your eye on the phone for a second, Bảo? People are watching us.
Well, unfortunately I can't. I was checking my messenger.
As you guys can see, my friend just take it to social media and he doesn't care about me.
I don't think so. I don't get it. People nowadays usually consider those who spend a lot of time on phones as internet addicts. I mean, social media has also brought many benefits, but they just keep looking on the downsides.
Yeah, of course there are advantages, but there are also many disadvantages that students need to be aware of. So, today in this video, we are going to discuss some major aspects of social media on high school students.
Let's go! So here are advantages. First, social media is playing an increasingly vital role in education and entertainment. In terms of education, more students and teachers have used social platforms such as Facebook or Zello to send class materials, assign homework, and communicate with each other. This has been proved more important especially during the coronavirus pandemic, and it is not an exaggeration to say that online education will be impossible without these social networks. Besides, in terms of entertainment, students now can enjoy music, watching movies, and stay up to date with latest news around the world, which helps them to relax after long working hours.
Second, thanks to social media, students are able to connect with people around the world, regardless of time and distance. We not only can keep in touch with our peers, but also for our own way friends and family. Moreover, expand our network through making online friends. I even have group chats with foreign friends in which we often share knowledge about our countries to broaden our horizon and develop ourselves.
However, these benefits cannot outweigh the drawbacks that social media has brought to us.
Firstly, social media is a huge distraction for students. They spend a lot of time in reading news posts, watching videos, or checking notifications and messages instead of focusing on studying. As a result, this leads to more procrastination, shorter attention span, and worse academic performance.
Additionally, social media negatively impacts the sociability among high school students. It is commonly seen that students just sit on their phones and do not interact with each other during classes and social settings. Some of them even prefer virtual friendship over in-person interactions and consider social media as a way to avoid physical interaction. Without a job, this will have a detrimental effect on society as a whole in the long run.
Alright, so now that we have witnessed several impacts of social networks on high school students, here are some viewpoints of our schoolmates and parents about this topic.
Well, social media is kind of convenient, but it's also harmful too. I have seen a lot of false information spread on the internet that is misleading us.
Yeah, I think social media is very useful for me because it allows me to connect with everybody in the world and it also helps me relax. So, yeah.
It will be a great idea to host many entertaining or volunteer activities to create a suitable environment for students to make friends and exchange the experience with each other.
I think parents should cooperate with school to guide their children about how to use social network more effectively in both studying and entertaining. Since it is very crucial to raise their awareness.
Thank you for your sharing. And we just want to say that the internet is the biggest double-edged sword in our technological history. It has the power to do real good, but also the power to hurt. That's why we should learn how to use it wisely.
Thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate the precious time that you have just spent on this video.
And if you enjoyed the content of our video, please don't forget to leave us a like and vote for us on the fan page of Dalek English Speaking Contest 2021 and 2022. And now, please take care and see you later.